Namaskar everyone, this is your host and host Sudeep Shaha and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you my astrological view for the Indian stock market for the week starting on 29th of January. So it's going to be a very eventful week because we have the Indian budget which is going to be tabled on 1st of February, that is on Wednesday, and the preceding day we are also going to see the economic survey as well. So it's going to be a very eventful week, and in this video, I'm also going to give you my astrological overview about the Union budget, and also about the Adani group as well. Okay. So before I share my views, if you are new to this channel, so I would request you guys to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon and select all so that you continue to get timely notifications about my upcoming videos. See, actually, last week, what happened was I was traveling, and due to traveling, I could not, make a video and keep you guys posted about my view about the stock market. So, in the first segment, I'm going to talk about the Adani Group. Okay. So, what happened in Adani Group of shares last week? So, after the research report was published, after the research report came into the public domain, we saw that the Adani group of shares, I mean the various Adani scripts that are listed on the stock exchanges, they came under immense selling pressure, and they started hitting the lower circuit. And one such move, one such report, and we saw lakhs of crores of market cap being wiped out in just a couple of hours. And many people are also questioning the timing because the report came just a day before the scheduled launch of Adani Enterprise FPO. So we are not going to get into the details about what is right and what is wrong and all those things. Let us just talk about from the astrological point of view. See, with the Saturn's transit to Aquarius sign, actually it starts is not a very favorable time period for Adani ji, and he is going to face some financial losses during the next 2.5 years of Saturn's transit to Aquarius as well. But however, the question is like whether the companies are going to shut down. Well, whatever I can see from the charts, the astrological, whatever I can see from the charts, the astrological chart of the of companies that are listed on stock exchange, and also after looking at the personal chart of Mr. Gautam Adani, I can say like what I can see is uh, the companies are not going to close down any moment, and they will eventually come back. But however, for some period of time, maybe for the next 5 or 6 months, they are going to face some struggles. Okay, so and this is what Saturn's transit to Aquarius is telling me, like he's going to face some kind of hardship, financial losses during this next 2.5 years. Remember, this is not trading advice or an investment advice. This is what the stars are telling me. Okay, so I won't be surprised if the downtrend in Adani scripts continues in the midterm. Okay, so that's all about the Adani group, and let us in the next segment let us talk about the union budget. See, whatever as per the planetary chart that is open in front of me, the budget is going to be tabled at 11 a.m. on 1st of February. So as per the planetary chart that is open in front of me, I do not expect it to be a budget filled with fireworks. See, in 2021, those who were on this channel, I had told you like it is was going to be a budget like once in a century kind of budget, and the market was going to welcome it with open arms. And you have seen, after just after the budget, we have seen a 5% rise in the Nifty itself. Okay, so this year I am not expecting such kind of movements. So in this budget, it's like, you know, because this is going to be the last budget before last full term budget before the 2024 elections as well. So I do not expect it to be a budget filled with fireworks. So I don't think that the market is going to react to the budget. There's nothing as such, which will make the market happy. But however, there may be some announcements that will actually will help the market in the mid term, not in the short term but in the mid term. Okay, there may be some kind of announcements that may come in the budget that will actually help the budget, that will help the market in the mid term or mid to long term, you can say. Okay, so don't expect to be a budget filled with fireworks. Okay, so that's all about the budget. So in the last segment, let us talk about the stock market, what we can expect in the upcoming week. So in the upcoming week, as per the planetary chart that is open in front of me, I can see Saturn is actually getting combust in the sign of Aquarius. Okay, so and throughout the week, I do not see any major changes taking place. Okay, so what I can see is like the market is going to face selling pressure at every bounce. Okay, so if I talk about 29th, so on 29th you may see the market positive in the morning, but however, as we move forward into the day, markets will slowly come under selling pressure and eventually you may see a downside in the market. And on 31st, the day looks positive to me. Overall, the market should looks good to me, and overall it should see the markets moving on the green side. So in this video I'm sharing my view for 31st and 1st, and on Tuesday evening I'm going to share my view for the rest of the week. Overall view for the week is like I'm expecting selling pressure in the market at the every bounce. Okay, for detailed view, and for the detailed view for 1st to 3rd, I shall share it on the evening of 31st of January. uh, if you find this information to be useful, I would request you guys to like this video and don't forget to hit the share button. Till then, do take very good care of yourselves, and I shall see you again very soon. Till then, Namaskar.